Okay, so this is going to be your 3-wedge pronation drill with a fencer stance. So let's talk about the wedge position first. So I'm gonna grab this black wedge. I'm gonna put a third of it on my big toe and big toe knuckle. I'm gonna take the majority all the way up to the AIM logo of this green wedge and put it underneath my outside 4th and 5th toes. So that means that my middle 2 toes will be just kind of chilling down there. And then last but not least, I'm going to take my last wedge, put it on my heel just a third of the way up on the lower side. So that's my wedge position there. Then from here, my fencer position, I'm going to think about my feet as a clock. So my front foot, in this case my left, will be 12 o'clock. I'm going to open up my right leg up to 3 o'clock. Now from here, I'm just gonna have a soft bend in my knee on the front side. I'm gonna stay heavy through my heel, and I'm just going to shift my entire body over to my front leg. I rotate back, I'm coming forward, and when I do this, we're not forcing anything. It's nice, easy, and very lazy. Just letting your foot do what it wants to do, and you'll notice that when you're in this setup, your knee wants to naturally go forward for the first 70% of the movement, last 30, it wants to swivel in just slightly. So forward, and then it comes in just very gradually. That's how the mechanics of your foot work to get better foot flattening. So again, you're gonna stay heavy through the heel, so nice and lazy as you go forward. You're gonna drive over the second toe for the first 70%, the last 30%, you're gonna make your way to your big toe, and just rock yourself back. One thing we don't want to see here is when you go forward, you go, just want to keep a nice, smooth, lazy, and heavy type motion. You're just rocking yourself back and forth. So typically we're going to do 2 sets of 20 with the wedges. Then we kick the wedges away. Same setup. And we do 1 set of 20. So we use the wedges to create the foot flattening that we want, but then we follow it up with an exercise to see if the foot can remember how helpful the wedges were. And that's how you do your fencer position 3 wedge drill.